Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius, fire sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius, messages for you. Wow, under the deck, 8 of Wands. Lots of communication is coming. In near future, you will receive lots of communication. And there is some movement in your connection also will come. And Fool, wow. If you are in separation with your person, maybe there is a chance for new beginning with your person. And you will be in this energy near future. You are going with the flow, living in the present moment. This is very, very positive energy, guys. And there is positive shift in your life and communication from your person, or it could be from somebody. Definitely there will be lots of communication. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Justice, Queen of Swords and Chariot. Maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life because there is no equal give and take. For some it could be third party situation involved. But this time you decided to focus on yourself, to give priority only to yourself. So you setting healthy boundaries. You want best, you deserve best. Yes. Then you decided to move on because the Chariot is here. Even though it is very slow moving, at least you are trying to move on from this person, or you are trying to stand by your power. If they want to come back into your life, they want to offer what you want, that type of energy in past. And then present, Knight of Cups, the Empress and Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they are coming back, they're willing to come back. This person is very romantic and they have feelings for you, Sagittarius. Knight of Cups is here. Yeah, they really want to offer new beginnings, Ace of Pentacles. And this time you stand by your power. You are taking your control back. You are okay with or without this person. Now you are taking your control back. You are totally in your control. And this is very, very good. Because you are constantly focusing on yourself. You are in the journey, like spiritual journey and transformation. Then future, 4 of Wands, 5 of Pentacles and 8 of Pentacles. Yes, maybe for some in past this person treated you as an option, or they are in and out of your life. This caused a lot of resistance in this connection. But I think you are focusing on your money right now. You are creating more money. You are very, very focused towards your career. And 4 of Wands. Yes, this person wants reconciliation if you are in separation. But you are not trusting them because in past they treated you as an option. Cold shouldering. Maybe this time they want to work on this relationship because 8 of Pentacles. Again, it is slow moving energy. But 8 of Wands, communication is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or especially Cancer or Libra. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Sagittarius. So first we will see your person feelings towards you. Page of Wands, communication. And for some, you both have some age difference also. And Ace of Wands, they are very very attracted to you and they want new beginnings with you. And Three of Swords, the lovers with Two of Pentacles, their feelings, they're heartbroken without you. If you're in separation with your person, definitely they're feeling heartbroken without you. And the Lovers card is here. And yes, they love you. Love is mutual between both of you, but your person right now juggling. Maybe they're juggling between their head and over their heart, because for some it could be third party, for some it could be their family. Definitely they're juggling, but they're missing you. They're feeling very very sad without you, and they want to communicate with you. So let's see their intentions, Sagittarius. Strength, High Priestess, Page of Cups, Four of Cups. They're missing you. Yes, they're feeling bored, they're feeling alone. And strength, they're getting their strength. Maybe they're trying to heal themselves from this pain, because Three of Swords with the Strength card. And High Priestess, I think the lovers with High Priestess, you are spiritually connected. Even though you are separated, they feel your energy. And Page of Cups, yes, they want to come back with an apology. Yes, you can expect some unexpected message from your person, and definitely there is communication is coming, and they're feeling you. And sorry, they're missing you. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Leo, or Gemini especially, the person involved in this connection could be. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Right now your person trusting their intuition, listening to their higher self. World card with the Emperor and Knight of Wands. They are very very attracted to you. Lot of passion between both of you. Lot of attraction. Your person is very attracted to you, Sagittarius. And the World. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Emperor. Yes, they want to offer stability to this connection. Maybe your person have some ego problems to make a first move towards you, because they are juggling. But they are very attracted to you, Justice. Yes, they want second chances with you. Yes, communication is coming. Then it depends on your conversation between both of you. Definitely they will contact you. For some cycles are going to be end between both of you, and some new cycles are going to be begin. Yes, you are undergoing some spiritual awakening process. And the Sun, yes, you are your happiness right now, Sagittarius. You are focusing on yourself, and you are happy now. Yes, even though you are in separation, you are happy now. Yes, but you are waiting for them, but you are happy, and you are very straightforward in nature. This time you want to give clarity to them. When they, even though they approached you, you will give clarity to them. Yes, I want this, otherwise I don't want you. That type of clarity you will give to them. Ten of Wands, Strength. I think you both feeling overburdened in this connection, but you both want to recover from this burden. What I'm getting here, strength. Yes, you both want to because only one person is responsible, another person is in and out of this life. That's why it becoming burden and hard work for both of you. But the Strength card is here, but this connection has potential. Yes, Three of Cups. Definitely there in near future there will be some celebration for some. But right now you both are feeling overburdened. Maybe you both are missing each other. Even though Sagittarius you are happy, still you are missing them. But you are not sad. Yes, you are missing them, but you are not feeling sad. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Be bold and make the first move. And a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Yes, if you want to make a first move, then be bold and make the first move. This is message for some, and a win-win outcome is your forecast. Definitely you are creating more money in career, and you are finding your happiness within you. That is very, very good part in this reading. So let's see some messages from your person end. Long distance relationship. Yes, I am not feel good enough for you. Third party involved, and I am serious about you. Yes, for some third party involved. Third party means for some it could be family, it could be friend, it could be other man or woman. And long distance relationship, and they feel they are not good enough for you. Yes, and they are serious about you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.